Hi, this is Dan Armstrong, and I'm doing my Week 2 project from this roller coaster that is built into the Mac OS, which actually happens to be Silverwood Theme Park right here by Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And it's a local roller coaster, so I thought it might be kind of fun to play with the chroma keyer and to share that this is, my hometown coaster. So, at any rate, in RuneScape, I have a video screen capture I've done of a few things that kind of show how you might assess things in RuneScape, and then we'll talk about how we could assess things in our classroom. So I've taken some time and I've gotten some logs here in my inventory that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use those logs, and then I can apply my tinderbox to that, and it'll start a fire that then I could take and cook some shrimp on, which would create food. And what we're talking about is about how to, make an assessment. How do we assess with gaming? So this is one example of assessing things with gaming. Is in this game, the assessment is this: did I burn the shrimp or did I not burn the shrimp? Did I have good shrimp? Did I not? And so that's the assessment in this particular game. So when I logged into RuneScape today, I thought it was interesting that there was 100,000 people that were currently online playing this game. So, it seems as though it is kind of a mainstream social type of place where you're doing quests and things. It looks like perhaps it could be updated a little more to make things a little bit more fun, entertaining, exciting, to move along a little quicker. Something that I learned about assessment from this game RuneScape is that it's not necessarily, gaming can be used as an assessment in that all that the game is doing is not using a test, like a pencil and paper test. In this particular situation, RuneScape, we're testing their ability to cook shrimp and whether or not they learned how to do that from the tutorial. So it's just like in our class, if we were going to do one over hotkeys, let's say, then we're going to test them maybe with some matching cards where there's a command with a hotkey and they have to mix and match the cards until they get them all right. Which that's a type of a game, and all they're doing is showing that they actually learned what was done in this tutorial, just like any game was. And that's why I'm dressed up like a comic book, is I really enjoy games and comics and things like that, and I always want to be a superhero. So, off and away until next week.